Samstra. In this demo, I will show you how to run a fast API service with monitoring and then visualize its metrics, logs, and traces inside the Grafana. Let me start by bringing up the entire stack using Docker Compose. I will then run this command. This will start multiple services together, and we have a fast API application that exposes three endpoints: hello, health, and matrices. Prometheus will scrap everything from the app. Loki and Promtail will collect the log, and Prometheus then Tempo will store traces, and Grafana will be used for visualizability. Let me show you fast API. I can see the health check returning okay, and we got a hello message, hello world, and add matrix. Let's see what Prometheus metrics, including counter like HTTP request total and HTTP request duration second bucket. To simulate real uses, I will run a load script in here. This is the script. Send 500 requests with concurrency 20. This script treats concurrent request to fast API app as it returns. We will be okay to observe request per second latency percentiles in Grafana. Let me open the Grafana. Here I will open fast API monitoring overview. As the load test runs, you can see all the request fast API logs. If we try to trigger an error, as you can see here, the error. Let me go to the floor, Loki, able to job, value fast API, we run query. Can see all these IDs. Each log line contains structured JSON. Can see fields like trace ID, span ID. These ID links logs directly in distributed traces. Let me select the tempo. You can see all traces. Opening a trace shows all the stands and attributes which represent full request flow through the FastAPI app. If I summarize everything, Prometheus scraps metrics from the FastAPI app, and Loki and Promtail collect logs which include trace IDs, as you can see. Tempo store distributed traces sent by the app, and Grafana visualize everything in one place: matrices, logs, traces, everything. This is a complete demo of Slack of our FastAPI service. Thank you for watching this demo. Yeah, thank you.